What's up, guys? If you are replaced or you're getting a light bulb fault on your BMW, like this is a 2013 128i convertible, was getting a bulb fault. You pull out the bulb. I mean, sometimes you have to replace all of them on the side that it's telling you about, but look at the bottom of the tip. Look how bad that is. I think this is an original bulb on a more than 10-year-old car. Look how worn out it is just from vibration. So, even though the filament is not broken, the tip itself is just shot. Hideous. So, that's what you really need to look at, is both the filament and the bottom. Notice the new one looks way better. So when you see my other video on how to see which light bulb is at fault, the CCID code that may pop up on your BMW, I'll put a link down below on that video. And that's it. Also did one on how to reset the TPMS sensor if you got a low tire fault and you already added air to it and it's still showing the fault. I'll have another video on how to do that, so look for the links down below. Got tons of videos on our channel: cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, golf carts, scooters, all kind of cool stuff. Check it out, and if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. Please send a donation. We really appreciate it. See y'all later.